We start by cook off the rum. Now combine cottage cheese and some cream cheese, the mascarpone. Break the eggs. Boom. Sugar. Whisk. We boil some water, small amount, and whisk the eggs above to create this nice velvety foamy mixture. We pour in the rum. This is just to pasteurize the eggs. Next, we make coffee mixture. A tablespoon of sugar and some cold water. 200 ml will do good. Whisk. Now we are making the chocolate ganache. This is heavy cream. And now break some dark chocolate. And microwave in 30-second intervals. A pinch of salt. And mix every 30 seconds. Microwave on 500 watts, no more. So that's like medium power. And there you have it. Grate some clementine zest. Do not grate white parts, or it will be bitter. Now, dunk some ladyfingers into the coffee mixture and place into a pan. Now combine cream cheese and egg mixture with a whisk until it's nice and smooth. Spread over the ladyfingers. Oh yeah, looks good. Spread over some chocolate ganache. And make the second layer. Notice how I rotated the ladyfingers by 90 degrees. This will help the dish to be more compact. Now spread the second spread. And do the old tappa. Now you can make a pattern if you'd like. I think it looks cool. Now again, grate some clementine zest over and grate some dark chocolate on top. And that's basically it. Now all you have to do is wait overnight, put it in the fridge, and serve the next day cold. Look at that. Sprinkle some cocoa powder on top of it and just dig in. Oh yes. Nice, rich, soft, spongy. Cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.